Yes. What's up guys, manze. Stalker hapa hivi now. I think 2025 imekuwa a certain year that imekuwa fucked up sana. Imekuwa year ingine imekuwa fucked up sana. Why am I saying this? Bana, many things have happened bana. And the main one, tulipoteza one of the biggest Pan-Africanist. Tulipoteza Raila. That's one of the painful thing. And the same nini tulipoteza nani, the same period tulipoteza Shalkido. Tumepoteza so many people including MC Full Stop. Tumepoteza watu wengi sana. I've lost very many people. I think tuombe tu Mungu. And as for me, it has not been an easy year for me. And on other side, imekuwa certain year that is fruitful. Why am I saying this? Nimefikisha 1,000 subscribers, which is a very big milestone for me as a fast rising creator. Imekuwa a certain year, imekuwa fruitful sana manze. So shukran to all my fans, shukran to all the subscribers manze. Tufike 4K 2026 December 29th. Tufike 4K manze. Ikiwezekana tufike hata 10K manze. Biggest nini yangu bana ni kufika 10K bana. 10K subscribers manze, mtakuwa mmenipatia morali ingine kali sana.